One of the road projects earmarked for construction by the present administration is the Oda Township Road. Consequently, government has approved and completed the dualization of a 4-kilometer stretch of the road from Akure Shopping Mall to Weli Junction. However, residents of Oda are now lamenting the deplorable condition of the road in the heart of the town, as the remaining 3.8-kilometer single-carriage section beginning from Ilekun has been left unattended to. The people pointed out that the execution of the project is not as fast as expected because the contractors in charge appear to have abandoned the project.
Though the state government is trying its best, but we want them to put more effort as regard to this road. In fact, we residents of this area, we don't find it easy at all, especially when there is rain. It's always bastardized everywhere, and it's make it difficult for the lorries, the cars, whatever, to move freely.
It's very slow. From Weli to Ilekun here is just about 500 meters. They have been on it now for the just ordinary drainage for the past 4 months now. It's not doing the job as expected. You can see the road. He has spoiled our vehicle. Okada people will fall down every day. So also Marua.
They are therefore calling on the state government to help fast-track the project to ease their movement in pursuit of their daily livelihoods.
If you look at this road now, if a motor want to park to buy something from you, he will not park and he will move on. It's affecting business. That is a challenge that me myself is facing.
The government can assist us to do the road. If they help us to do it, we will be very, very happy.
The government has tried their best by awarding the contract, but it is left for the contractor to speed up the job.
The mechanic of this town, they are really feeding on us, because every day you come out, your vehicle or your machine must spoil. You understand? So we are calling on the government of this state to look into this road, so that we, the citizens of this state, can at least enjoy the infrastructure of this town.
Many communities across the state can boast of motorable roads today, owing to the intervention of the present administration in the area of infrastructure, most notably construction of roads. And it is a wish of the people in the fast-growing town that Oda will not be left out. Joy Pius, OSRC News.